what is supervised and unsupervised machine learning. So as we all know that machine learning is a part where it takes previous data and it will predict the future date. It will predict for future values. So now this machine learning will come up with different types of different types. First one is supervised machine learning, second one is unsupervised machine learning, third one is reinforcement machine learning or semi-supervised machine learning.
Before moving further, let me tell you something, guys. If you want to become a software developer or already have become a software developer, Unacademy brings a platform called Career as a Software Developer, where you can get access to weekly shows which all you can watch live. So some of the shows that are live on Unacademy are Crack Top Brands, Tips on Technical and Interview Rounds, How to Join Big Tech Brands, Improve Your Coach of Profile, Interviews of Top Tech Leaders and Folks Who Made It Big, Architecture Breakdown of Popular Apps, Understanding the Hiring Process. So like this, there are different shows, guys. So you can see on the screen that in the Unacademy portal you can get access to all these shows. You can see whatever the shows which are live and what are the timings they are going to be live, like this. See, you can see these shows, and we can watch all those live. And all you need to do is get a subscription from Unacademy, guys. And among these shows, I would like to highlight one particular show. So tech extracurriculars, which is on digital marketing, guys. So one of the India's leading DM expert will be coming live on a weekly basis and teaching the DM using practical projects and tools. So you will get to understand the technical aspects in a fun and easy way. And also you will be taught all about digital marketing from zero. So don't worry if you don't know the basics. So we all know about the ads which run over multiple apps like YouTube, Flipkart, Amazon, Instagram. But how the companies manage to target the correct audience and convert these leads to sales? So that's what we differentiately get to know about this show. So whatever you can learn about digital marketing, you will be taught in this course, guys. So you can get more information through this course. So all you need to do is get a subscription from Unacademy. So when you go to the subscription page, you can see that, and you can enter my coupon code TechMyHigh, where you will get 10% discount after applying this code. So that's how you will be paying only 899, not 999. So that's how you will get subscription. So what are you waiting for? Get this subscription as soon as possible and watch all these live shows on the Unacademy platform.
Where this supervised machine learning talks about input data and output data. So here in machine learning, input data and output data is represented by X and Y variables, where X represents the input variables or input features, Y represents the output, or this is output features, or this is also called as labeled data. So the supervised machine learning, in supervised machine learning, we have X and we have Y. So if you consider the X, if you give the value of X for a function, if it determines the label or if it determines the output, then it is known as a supervised machine learning algorithm. So basically supervised machine learning talks about taking the previous data, finding the patterns and predicting for future data. For that, here the main F, the function, can be linear regression, can be any of the algorithm, any of the classification or regression algorithm. I don't bother about that, but the function is finding the patterns. So here we are giving new data that is not seen by the model, and the model is predicting the Y. So based on this Y, this supervised machine learning can be divided into two types. One is classification and second one is regression. So what is classification? See here, if Y value is just like 0 or 1, or if Y value is yes or no, then we call such kind of algorithms as classification algorithms. So here X can be anything, X can be any number of features, but Y can be 0 or 1. If you consider an example of diabetes patient, the output there can be yes or no, or whether a person is affected with heart disease or heartbreak or not, heart stroke or not. So all such kind of classification algorithms will have discrete output, where it can be yes or no, 0 or 1. Whereas the regression algorithm, the Y value can be real valued. Which means, if you consider an example of house price prediction, where based on the area, the house price can be $10,000 or the house price can be $500 based on the area, based on the rooms, based on the facilities in which the house has. Based on that, we might be having this y. Y value can be any real value in regression algorithm. Coming to unsupervised machine learning algorithm, we have only the input, not the label. Where in supervised machine learning algorithm, we have both input and label, whereas it is performed on unlabeled data. Okay, now. So the unsupervised machine learning can be broadly classified into two types. One is clustering, and second one is customer segmentation. Clustering in the sense, if you open the Google Photos nowadays, what you can see is based on your photo, it is going to create separate albums. Okay, now. So this can be done. This grouping can be done using clustering algorithms. Similarly, in customer segmentation, whenever you go to a portal like Amazon or Flipkart, what you can see is there the customers can be segmented. See, it can be segmented vaguely. The customers who are buying products less than $500 per annum, it can be between $500 to $10,000 per annum, and the customers who are buying all the products on an average per year greater than $10,000. So here the customers are segmented based on the purchasers in the portal, and the customer segmentation helps the company to send the notifications. Let's say if there is one good product came into the market, and if it is having high demand, if it is very cost, then it can be sent to the customer whoever are buying high quality products, and who are purchasing more products on their portal. This customer segmentation is also example of an unsupervised machine learning. So this is about supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithms.